there, this is Elisa with WTI. If you're looking for that perfect beverage during this fall, definitely check this dark hot chocolate. This dark hot chocolate by Equal Exchange is delicious. I love that it has everything you need to prepare that delicious hot beverage. I personally like blending it here on my frother. You just add 6 to 8 ounces of milk and 3 tablespoons of this mix, and it's gonna make the creamiest, richest, delicious chocolate. And even though it's dark chocolate, you're going to see it's not bitter. I also love that it mixes very well either with a spoon or, again, I did it on my frother. It's just easier and it warms up at the same time. I love this and I would highly recommend this. You're going to see how rich and creamy this is. I promise you're not going to go back to any other milk chocolate or hot chocolates after trying this. So if you're trying to impress your family and friends with the nice hot beverage, definitely buy this one, and that's my point of view.